This is controversial because Circle and Skool both have crazy fan following on the internet. You will see Alex Hermosi promoting Skool and Pat Flynn from Smart Passive Income promoting Circle. So it gets very hard if you are a new community builder to choose which platform is right for you. I was very early user of Skool before that was even public, and also I have helped other clients build their communities on Circle. So I have experience of both of these platforms, and I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know before choosing best community platform for your business. But here is the most important part. It does not matter. Seriously. It does not matter which community platform that you are picking. Communities are built by people and not by the platform. So despite of what you are going to pick, whether it's Skool, Circle, it does not matter as much as you think it does. Yes, there are some important parts. For example, I do not recommend Facebook groups for creating your community because then that's a whole different challenge. It gets complicated, people get confused and they stop using the platform at all. But when it comes to these two platforms, Circle and Skool, both of them are incredibly good and they are designed to make a community profitable for a creator. And by the way, if you are serious about building your online community, make sure to check out the description of this video because I have shared a detailed checklist that you need to fill before you launch your community. It might be game changing. And at some point, if you enjoy this video, make sure to give me a like and comment something. It really helps algorithm to push this video to the right people. All right. Let's get back to the video. If I talk about the features, Skool and Circle both are very feature rich. You can go live with your community, you can host your videos, you can have courses, community chat area, membership, and also gamification. So both of them are very similar in terms of features. But the biggest difference between both of these platforms is Skool focuses on minimalist conversion based system where focus of the platform is to make you more money as a creator and for your students to optimize for conversations. Now when it comes to Circle, yes, these are important things. For example, there is a dedicated chat area and you can also host your courses and membership tiers, but it also focuses on branding, colors, themes, and creating this familiar space on the internet. Now this might look interesting in the first go, but when I look closely, it actually is a challenge for online business. Because when you offer a lot of features, for example, there are also Discord like channels on Circle, the challenge is it gets complicated. The focus loses from the conversations and conversions to just having this beautiful space, but unfortunately no one likes to use it because people are busy. They are not just joining one community, they are joining many. They are also spending a lot of their time on social media. So as a creator, you want to keep the focus minimal. It does not mean that Circle does not work. It does, but for the people who already have a very engaging audience on the internet. Now, when it comes to Skool, I know a lot of people who started from the scratch with no audience at all, and they started building their community on Skool and they reached 5 and 6 figures on their income. Now, if this is something that you are looking for, then Skool might be the right platform for you. Another part of Skool is it has a low experimentation cost. You can launch your community just for the trial for $9 per month, which is great thing. This is, in fact, I love about starting any business on the internet. If you go back 100 years, you will realize that every business had a very high experimentation cost. That's why not everyone could become an entrepreneur 100, 200 years ago. If you wanted to find a customer, then you needed to go manually door to door to find the right people. And it used to take a lot of time, money, and energy to even validate your idea. Now on Skool, you can just do it for $9 a month. In fact, it also comes with 14 days free trial. Now, one thing that you need to compromise on Skool is your own personal branding. There are very limited options for changing your entire school for your business. Now, this might also be beneficial because that gives people this familiarity. So people are constantly engaged in this ecosystem that feels very familiar and they are finding it very easy to upgrade, very easy to have conversations in. So it has advantages and disadvantages. On Circle, you can completely change everything. You can have your colors, your logo, your entire font system and everything. There are people who are making 5, 6 and 7 figures on Circle as well as on Skool. But as a creator, these stats don't matter. What really matters is that how many people are actually able to do this. School has this concept called school games, which is part of the community membership that you get when you start your own school. And you will see there are people who are making even $392,000 every month on school. And this is not just one person. There are many people who are reaching these numbers. And this tells you that whatever system they have designed is working. Do not reinvent the wheel. Marketing is a solved problem. If you will go to Instagram, you will find a lot of gurus that are selling you a new concept. But in fact, there is no new way of marketing. Everything is just same. You need audience that knows you, likes you, and trusts you. You need to convert this audience into a community, a safe space where people are engaging in, and then you need a system for monetizing that community. And all of this you can do easily with one click on School as well as on Circle. The important part is where you can do that easily. School is very easy to use for everyone. Most of the time people save their card information and they just need one click to purchase your course or to upgrade to a different community. One of the most important part in building an internet business is taking people from what is comfortable for them, what they are already using, to a new system. And this is where most of the challenge is. Because if they are very familiar with WhatsApp and Facebook and Instagram, there is a learning curve for your members. Now, if you make it very hard to onboard them and to educate them to use this new platform, that means that you might lose business. On School, that is minimal. On Circle, it is little bit more complicated. Now, that does not mean that you need to stay on Facebook or Instagram. Don't do that, because you don't even own your business on these platforms. Algorithm can change anytime. That has happened so many times. These algorithms are not in your favor. They are trying to make money, and anytime they can change. If there is new AI system shows up, they might kill your entire business and they won't even flinch. If this is your business, you need to take responsibility and control of it. On Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp, you don't even have people's data like their email addresses. What if something happens, which has happened before, by the way? How would you connect with your audience? You have spent money, energy, time into building your business. It's important that you are hosting it on a place where you have the control as a creator. Whether you go for Circle or School, you must go there. People who are building community will last longer than people who are just relying on Facebook or Instagram for their business. Now, that leads me to the last part. Start with people. Do not worry about the platform choice. Go through the checklist, complete it. In my experience, I am right now recommending School because I find minimalism beating over complicated, beautiful experiences. But that does not mean that Circle might not be for you. If you already have an audience and your focus is to create this familiar experience for them, Circle is the right platform for you. But if you have a small audience and you want to kickstart your business, you can go for School. And the path is not paved on the stone. You can move from one platform to another. If you build it for people, they will follow you. You don't need to fear which platform that you are picking right now, because people follow people. Serve people with authenticity, empathy, and persuasion, and you will see that people follow you despite of which platform that you are picking. So let me know in the comment box which one you are going for. I have shared more videos on School as well as on Circle. I have shared all the links in the description and in the comments. If you are still watching this video, I truly appreciate it. I will talk to you in the next one.